I'm Danielle from WTI.
I was on the hunt for some LED lights for a project, but instead I stumbled across these puck lights and I'm so glad that I did. I love that these are small and compact, which means they can fit almost anywhere. And the fact that it's battery operated means you can put them anywhere you'd like. You don't need to have an outlet nearby. Speaking of putting these anywhere, they also come with their own double-sided tape, so you can attach them to whatever you want to, which I found very handy. But don't let the size fool you or the fact that they work with batteries fool you. You will not be settling with this little light. When I tell you I'm genuinely impressed with all the options this thing has. You can dim the lights, change the colors, have them flashing, have them fading, set a timer, and did I mention it comes with 2 remotes? I mean, it's worth every penny.
There's a party over here. I mean, I love it. I love it. That's my point of view.